In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Asana subscription. Whether you're transitioning to a different platform or simply don't need it anymore, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you can cancel the service without any trouble. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Asana website. You can either type asana.com directly into your browser or use a stored bookmark to get there quickly. Once the page loads, you'll land on the login screen. Here you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Asana account. This is usually the email you signed up with, so make sure it's the correct one. After entering your email, click the Continue button. This action takes you to a new screen where you will be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to type in your password accurately. If you have password management tools that automatically fill this for you, feel free to use those. Once your password is entered, simply click the Login button to access your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to locating your profile. You should see your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, one of which is the admin console. Select this option to proceed. In the admin console, you'll find various administrative tools. What you want to do next is look for the billing option. This might be listed under a menu or tab. Click on Billing to access all your plan and billing details. Once you've opened your billing information, you need to focus on the section that lists your current plan details. Here is where you'll find the option to cancel your current subscription. Specifically, look for a button or link that says Cancel Plan and click on it. You're almost there. The platform will guide you through the final steps needed to confirm your cancellation request. Be prepared to answer any additional questions that might pop up as part of the cancellation process, as Asana wants to ensure this action aligns with your intentions. And there you have it, just follow these straightforward steps and your Asana subscription will be cancelled. It's always a good idea to double check your email for a cancellation confirmation to ensure that the process was completed successfully. If you have any concerns or need assistance, reaching out to Asana's customer support can provide additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you seamlessly cancel your Asana subscription. If it did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides.